Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps to fix printer sharing not working in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin resolving issues with printer sharing not functioning correctly in Windows 11, we will first ensure that the necessary sharing settings are enabled. Start by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Settings from the menu that appears. In the Settings window, navigate to the Network and Internet tab, located on the left-hand side list. Within this section, choose the Advanced Network Settings option. You will then see a heading for Advanced Sharing Settings. Click on this to expand the options. Look for the switch labeled File and Printer Sharing. Make sure this switch is turned on. Enabling this setting is a crucial step in allowing your printer to be shared across your network. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.